So welcome dear student. In this class we are going to learn about fructose. What is fructose? What is structure? What is the open chain, cyclic and Haworth projection formula? Okay. So now we know glucose. Glucose is what is that? C6H12O6. Okay, glucose, and we know the structure CHO, CHOH, COH, CHOH, CHOH, CH2OH. Okay, so glucose is aldehyde group containing compound, aldehyde, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is also pentahydroxyaldehyde. Okay, it is pentahydroxyaldehyde. It was glucose. Now our topic of discussion is fructose. Same here. Fructose having molecular formula. It is a carbohydrate having molecular formula C6H12O6. See molecular formula of glucose and fructose. Is there any difference? No. Glucose and fructose have same molecular formula, but their structure are different. Means they are isomers of each other. They are isomers of each other. See, fructose, it is a carbohydrate, and for fructose, sucrose, fructose and glucose, these three are carbohydrate and they are sweet in taste. Among these three, fructose is having more sweet, having sweetest among these three: sucrose, fructose and glucose. The taste of fructose is sweet, but this property is greater than sucrose and glucose. Okay, again, so we know fructose and glucose are isomers. In fructose, keto group is present. In glucose, aldehyde group is present, but in fructose, keto group having structure. See this structure. This is the structure of fructose: carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have derived this structure on the basis of some chemical properties, physical, chemical experiment. On that basis we have designed this open chain structure. Similarly, on the basis of chemical and physical properties, we have designed this structure. Okay, here I have written directly, no need to explain its reaction, but it was glucose, on the basis of glucose and its chemical reaction we can draw this. Okay, so how many OH group present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means pentahydroxy, and keto group is present. Keto, see this, carbon number 2 is keto, so it is ketone. So fructose is pentahydroxy ketone in which carbon number 2 is keto. Carbon number 2 is keto. So this is the open chain structure of fructose, and it is known as D minus fructose. Minus means what? It is levorotatory. This structure or this fructose is levorotatory. What is the meaning of levorotatory? If we pass the plane polarized light through the solution or aqueous solution of fructose, then plane of PPL, plane polarized light, will deviate toward left side, not right. left side. Therefore, it is levorotatory compound. It is optically active because it will rotate the plane of PPL toward left side. So, it is optically active but levoform. It is levoform. And D, what is this capital D stand for what? D stand for last chiral carbon atom. Carbon number 5 is the last chiral carbon atom having OH group is on right side. OH group is on right side, therefore it is capital D. So this is the simple open chain structure of fructose. Okay. So what is the open chain structure of fructose? CH2OH, this is open chain structure of fructose having 5 OH group and 1 keto group. Keto group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is D minus fructose. Okay. So what is difference between glucose and fructose? Glucose is pentahydroxyaldehyde and fructose is pentahydroxyketone. Okay. Then cyclic structure. Fructose. See, here carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5, 6. Cyclic structure of fructose is obtained by hemiacetal formation reaction between. See, how cyclic structure of fructose obtained? It is based on the hemiacetal reaction between carbon number 2 and carbon number 5. This carbon number 5, OH group of carbon number 5, this will going to react just like in glucose, going to react with carbon number 2, which is carbonyl carbon, and it will going to form two anomers, epimers or anomers. Okay, because this carbonyl group having two face, front face and back face. So for this O minus OH group, in OH group O is negative, H is positive. This O minus will going to attack on carbonyl carbon because carbonyl carbon is partially positive, carbonyl oxygen is negative. Okay, so due to this oxygen going to attack this carbonyl carbon from front side or back side. If attack from front side, then give one anomers, and if attack from back side, give another anomers, and there is 50-50% chances because it is a planar molecule, two faces, that's why 50% chances from front side and 50% chances from back side. Okay, so due to this reaction, it give two isomeric cyclic compound. See, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so due to lack of space, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I will write here OH group. If attack from that side, front side, OH group here, CH2OH, remaining part as it is OH, H, H, OH, H. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and second possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CH2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CH2OH. OH, H, H, OH, H. Okay. So due to this planar structure of carbonyl group, this O minus of C5 going to attack from two sides, either from front side or back side. Therefore, two anomers obtained. They are anomers of each other. Okay. Only difference in the position of OH group. At carbon number 2, OH group is on right side. At carbon number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At carbon number 2, OH group is on left side. Here right side, here left side. OH group right side means alpha D negative fructose, for example. Its name is alpha D negative fructose, and here OH group on at anomeric carbon atom. See, this is carbon number 2 is anomeric here, on which OH group is on left side, that is called beta D negative fructose. Okay, so these are the two structure of fructose, cyclic structure of two anomers, alpha D fructose and beta D fructose. How these two structure obtained? By the hemiacetal formation reaction between oxygen atom of C5 and carbon atom of C2 carbon. Okay, they will react, simple reaction, just like I have already explained in glucose, cyclic structure of glucose, hemiacetal reaction. Same reaction will take place and give two anomers, alpha and beta. What is the difference between alpha and beta? At carbon number 2, OH group on right side, and at carbon, and in beta at carbon number 2, OH group is on left side. This is the difference only. Okay, now see, it is a cyclic structure, oxygen, carbon, 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 and again oxygen. This is ring completed, therefore it is cyclic. And how many atoms involved in this cycle? Involved in cycle, oxygen, carbon, 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 and again. See, it is a ring of 5 atom. 5 atom present in the ring. 1 oxygen, 4 carbon. Means it is 5-membered heterocyclic ring. It is 5-membered heterocyclic ring. So, and this ring is having structure similar with furan. This is the structure of furan. Furan is a aromatic heterocyclic compound having 1 oxygen and 4 carbon atom. Here is carbon, 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 carbon. Compare this furan and this ring. This ring contain 1 oxygen, 4 carbon. This ring also contain 1 oxygen, 4 carbon. So these two ring size are same. Atoms present were also same, are same. Therefore, cyclic structure of fructose is known as furanose structure. Furanose structure. Why cyclic structure of fructose is known as furanose? Because the ring present in cyclic structure of fructose is similar with that of furan. Okay, furan. Therefore, cyclic structure of fructose is known as furanose structure, and due to this, the name of this structure is, the name given is like this: alpha D negative fructo furanose. What is name? See, what is the name of this cyclic structure of fructose? Alpha D negative fructofuranose. Alpha stand for what? This OH group right side. D stand for what? OH group right side in open chain. Negative means leo-rotatory, and fructofuranose means cyclic structure having this type of ring. Okay, so in similarly, this is beta D negative fructofuranose structure. Okay, so this is the these are the cyclic structure of fructose, and which is known as furanose structure. Fructofuranose, alpha D negative fructofuranose, beta D fructofuranose. Okay? Open chain structure, cyclic structure, and now Haworth projection formula. Haworth projection formula of this cyclic structure. See, first I will draw alpha D negative fructofuranose. 1, 2, 3, 4, OH, OH, H, H, OH, H, CH2OH. Okay, now it is the ring of 5 atom, 1 oxygen, 4 carbon, and this ring is drawn like this in Haworth projection formula. This cyclic ring convert into like this. Simple. Oxygen, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carbon number 2, it is carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, and carbon number 6 always at top side. Okay? According to rule, those substituent present on right side, here those substituent present on right side, this substituent we have to put on down side. Here OH right side, here down H, OH, and those substituent on left side we have to put these on top side, CH2H, sorry, OH, H, H. So this is the Haworth projection formula for this. Okay, getting how I have drawn this cyclic structure. I have converted this cyclic structure into planar cyclic. Okay, oxygen, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, oxygen, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, and here this substituent on right side, and in this structure we have to attach this from downside. This is downside, upside, downside, upside. Okay, and left side substituent we have to put on from top side. Okay, similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, beta D, OH, CH2OH, OH, H, H, OH, H. This is beta D negative fructofuranose. Okay, same. Consider planar ring. Carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So right side substituent attached from downside, CH2OH, H, OH. Here top side, OH, OH, H, H. Okay, so this is Haworth projection formula for beta D negative minus fructofuranose, alpha D, beta D. Okay, so fructose, open chain structure, cyclic structure, and Haworth projection formula. So these Haworth projection formula are very important to draw the disaccharide structure, trisaccharide structure, polysaccharide structure. So always try to draw alpha D glucose, alpha D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose, what is alpha D glucopyranose, what is beta D glucopyranose, and then what is alpha D fructofuranose and beta D fructofuranose. These four structures are very important to draw polysaccharide, structure of polysaccharide and disaccharide, trisaccharide. So okay, so remember these four structure: alpha D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose, alpha D fructofuranose and beta D fructofuranose. Okay, so getting my point? Okay, so student, in next class we are going to discuss disaccharide. All these discussion, our discussion was on monosaccharide, fructose and glucose. Now from next class we will discuss disaccharide. Thank you very much.